Hi, I'm Mike Yost, and welcome to CESMII. I'm going to talk to you quickly about who CESMII is and why you need to be here. First of all, CESMII is the United States Institute on Smart Manufacturing. We're a nonprofit, public-private partnership, and we are working to ensure that the power of information and innovation is at the fingertips of everyone who touches U.S. manufacturing. You'll hear a lot of people talk about the fact that smart manufacturing requires an ecosystem. And we're no different. We absolutely believe that smart manufacturing requires an interconnected ecosystem of professionals. However, we are different in a number of ways. One, we're different from for-profit companies by reason of not having a product to sell you. We are focused by our mandate on your success. And we are required to pull the levers that we have, whether that's funding or research or education and workforce development, thought leadership, networking. We pull all of those levers to get behind what you need as manufacturers to succeed. But it's not just because we're a nonprofit that we're different. We are a nonprofit that's backed by the federal government of the United States. They give us our authority, and we use that authority to engage industry and academia in partnership as part of that ecosystem I mentioned. We're part of the Manufacturing USA Institute structure, but we're different from other institutes as well. Manufacturing USA, all of the institutes work together to complement each other, with each institute focused on a particular area that's specialized for them and important to manufacturers. But what's the difference between a Smart Manufacturing Institute and a Digital Manufacturing Institute and a Cybersecurity Institute? Don't they all overlap? Well, in short, no. CESMII is focused on driving manufacturing competitiveness by unlocking and unleashing the value of your data produced and captured in the process of making what you make. Digital manufacturing focuses on the design of products in certain industries. Cybersecurity is a non-negotiable underpinning to all digital and smart technologies, but doesn't drive productivity or profitability of a manufacturer's business. Smart manufacturing does that. Smart manufacturing equates to manufacturing competitiveness. We talk in terms of energy productivity and how that is driven by manufacturing productivity. And as we are backed by the Department of Energy, we are showing that by driving down the costs and driving down the complexity of deploying smart manufacturing solutions and technologies, that we can have a dramatic impact on the profitability and performance of manufacturing companies, and at the same time, making an impact on energy savings nationally. It's really important that there be an entity like CESMII. It is too hard and too costly to go it alone. There are problems that we are undertaking that can't be solved by any one company or even one group. There needs to be that ecosystem that's coming together and addressing issues from a technology perspective, from a cost, from a deployment, from a support perspective that others can't do on their own. There are also challenges with the market dynamics about how prepared the marketplace is to sell and deploy and support these types of systems and solutions. And those are the types of challenges that make it really difficult for a for-profit company to take those challenges on. At CESMII, not only can we take them on, we are mandated to take them on. There needs to be a CESMII that can work on global education and global definitions around technology standards and adoptions. Things are happening all around the world between global initiatives such as Industrie 4.0, which comes out of Germany, or Made in China 2025. All the industrialized nations around the world are leveraging modern information and internet technologies to improve their backbone of the manufacturing operations and build a competitive differentiator for them, and the US is no exception. However, the US is different in the fact that we have so many different industries, so many different companies, so fewer regulations than a lot of the other industries or a lot of the other countries around the world. So it takes this kind of approach, it takes an organization like CESMII to bring it all together. And that's what we're here to do. The only thing that's missing is you. So let's change that. Come on in and join CESMII today.